Handa na ba tayo? Kakanta ka diba?
Ito yung mabilis na pass.
Akala ko doon.
Ito yung mabilis.
Gotta work. Gotta make them money, make it
Di po mag-back out.
Yung challenge namin is hindi dapat ako sumigaw or wala akong expression. Si Z naman,
I have to sing my whole song ba? Or
Pogi Boy.
Yung Pogi Boy, yung comeback song. Kakatayin ko siya.
Feeling ko buong song na from start.
Huwag kayong tatawa pag pumiyok ako. Huwag na pasigaw.
Feeling ko,
Siya pag tumawa
ang layo na nila! Wait lang!
Kita-kita yung buhok ni CLB.
Ang nakakainis pa naman dyan, hindi siya nag-aano. Nag-warn. Bigla na nababagsak.
But we're on our way to the second challenge, which is the roller coaster. And yes. Good job, good luck.
Nakapila kayo dito. After nito, kayong dalawa ni Zayla dito. Mamaya.
Well, baby, pumasok na!
Natrap na ako sa...
Welcome to intro. Okay. Welcome to New York. Welcome to for the second time around. Welcome to the Kingdom of Gozo.
Tapos na kami sa challenge. Now we're going to the Viking. Yes. Let's go. Parang fairy tale to. Woo! So, tapos na kami sa Viking. We will do log jam with everyone else before continuing. Woo! Ayun o. So, galing kong log jam. Tumabasang-basa ako because they put me in front and then they used me as a shield. But we'll get wet again and then it's time to change. Comfort food after getting wet. So this is the jungle area. The fireworks are starting. We have to go now. We have to go. I just got home after a very busy day. Like, it was really, really tiring. As you can see, I was in Enchanted Kingdom. If you guys don't know, it's a amusement it's an amusement park here in the Philippines, and we did some content. I do part-time as I help out when it comes to like idol groups. So I'm sure if you guys follow me on TikTok, which you should, I work with idols and idol trainees here in the Philippines. So yeah, it was really a fun day. As you can see, my makeup is almost all gone, and we were really tired shooting a lot of content. I had a really fun day. It was really tiring, and I was really, really scared, going going out actually, because it looked like rain was going to rain very heavily, because there is actually a storm coming. And I'm really glad that today there was no storm. It was actually very sunny. It was very hot and humid. I guess that's the storm coming. But now the rain just fell now. And so I think it's like a blessing in disguise. And I was able to release a lot of stress. And it was a lot of fun because there was a lot of nostalgia, especially since I haven't been there since pre-pandemic. So it was really fun to experience it in that way, because since we're working with artists, we get to do like the fast track or the express way, because we do have to make up for the time that we're shooting a lot of content and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little peek into my life. There's gonna be more in the future. You guys know the group. You guys can follow them. They're called Believe, and you can look forward to more things from them and from me. And please do subscribe and click that bell for notifications, because there's a lot. There's like maybe a year's worth of stuff I will be posting. In terms of like, they aren't trending right now, but like it's really good memories, especially when I put it on my YouTube, because you guys might be interested in doing this field in the future. If being an idol isn't your path, maybe it's in management, which is like idol training or idol management or artist management and stuff like that, or events. So I hope you guys have fun. I will see you guys again. When you subscribe, you become an Aurora. So I say bye, Aurora. Bye, Aurora. See you guys next time. Good night. I'm really tired. Bye.